Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about, are eggs good for you or not? So make sure to watch the full video. The egg is standard breakfast fare, but many people may be wondering whether eggs are healthy. At just 78 calories each, eggs are an efficient, rich source of protein and vitamins. A large egg contains about 6 grams of protein. Eggs also are a good source of other nutrients, including vitamin D, which aids bone health and the immune system, and choline, which helps metabolism and liver function, as well as fetal brain development. Egg yolks also can be good for the eyes. They are significant sources of lutein and zeaxanthin, which have been found to reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration, the leading cause of blindness in people 55 and older. But egg yolks are also known for their cholesterol. A typical large egg contains 186 milligrams of cholesterol, more than half the amount previously recommended for daily consumption before Federal Dietary Guidelines link opens in new window, dropped the numerical goal in 2015, citing a lack of scientific evidence for a specific limit. The sunny side of eating eggs. We are probably more embracing of eggs within a heart-healthy dietary pattern than we were 20 years ago. But it's still a source of dietary cholesterol, said Joanne Carson, professor of clinical nutrition at UT Southwestern Medical Center in Dallas. Eating an egg a day as a part of a healthy diet for healthy individuals is a reasonable thing to do. A study published in May in the journal HeartLink opens in new window found that an egg a day just may keep the doctor away. Researchers studied nearly 500,000 Chinese adults over 9 years and found up to 1 egg per day led to a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. Experts have pointed out, however, that participants in that study were not eating a Western diet. Another study from May, published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, link opens in new window, found that eating at least 12 eggs a week for 3 months did not increase cardiovascular risk factors for people with prediabetes and type 2 diabetes. That result went hand in hand with a healthy diet designed to help study participants lose weight. Whether and how to eat eggs. The key, Carson said, is for people to know their risk factors. In general, people at risk for heart disease, who have diabetes or who have had a heart attack should pay close attention to the amount of cholesterol in their diet, she said. But that's not to say cholesterol makes eggs a harmful choice. Carson pointed out that if a person's diet contains little other cholesterol, eggs may be considered less dangerous. For someone who's decided to go vegetarian and they're not eating red meat, maybe the only source of cholesterol would be in an egg, she said. Those individuals could probably include eggs a little bit more in their diet. Eggs must be refrigerated and should be cooked fully because there's an increased risk of salmonella with raw eggs. Common ways of cooking eggs link opens in new window include boiling, poaching, scrambling, or frying. The American Heart Association Subgist link opens in new window, 1 egg or 2 egg whites per day for people who eat them as part of a healthy diet. Egg whites provide plenty of protein without the cholesterol of the yolk. Carson recalled making lower cholesterol scrambled eggs for her children by combining 2 eggs with 2 egg whites. There's other good things in the yolk that you're going to miss out on if you don't have the yolk, she said. For people who like fried eggs, Carson recommends using a non-tropical vegetable oil such as corn, canola, or olive oil. Certainly not adding animal fat would be a good thing to do. If you're going to use fat in your food, use a heart-healthy oil instead of butter or bacon grease, she said. But the bacon wasn't a great idea to begin with. Is it healthy to eat eggs every day? Eggs have been in the news a lot. Again, it seems like every few years, questions arise about these meals in a shell. Are they good or bad for you? What about their protein and cholesterol? Looking at the nutritional breakdown, 1 egg contains roughly 75 calories, 5 grams of fat, 6 grams of protein, 0 carbohydrates, 67 milligrams of potassium, 70 milligrams of sodium, and 210 milligrams of cholesterol. Eggs are also a great source of vitamins A, D, and B12, as well as choline, a nutrient essential in many steps of metabolism. Except for its cholesterol content, 1 egg is a healthy option for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Research shows that the cholesterol in eggs doesn't seem to negatively affect the human body compared to other sources of cholesterol. For example, eggs typically are eaten with other foods high in salt, saturated fat, and cholesterol, such as bacon, cheese, and butter. These foods are known to increase heart disease risk and should be eaten sparingly. Most healthy people can eat up to 7 eggs a week without affecting their heart health. Some choose to eat only the egg white and not the yolk, which provides some protein without the cholesterol. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.